Hello and welcome to our IDP presentation. Our team is me, Osama, Omar, Kareem, and Sue. Today we're excited to show you our project Aquabin. Rivers, lakes, and narrow canals are filling up with floating plastic trash. Cleaning them is a big problem. Cleaning by hand or with nets is very slow. On the other hand, big industrial boats are way too expensive and they are too large to fit into tight spaces. We need fast, affordable, and small cleaning boat that can easily reach this area. And now I pass to Omar.
So our approach is aquapin. We built a catamaran hull using a lightweight PVC pipe. It's wrapped in a custom camouflage. Its main framework used in PVC pipes because it's highly durable, cost effective, and easy to assemble. The structure features a custom camouflage design. Uh, its specific arrangement serves as the core of our system. This approach allows us to effectively solve the engineering problem while keeping the design lightweight and secure. At its core, Aquapin is an IoT device governed by an ESP32 microcontroller instead of a traditional radar. We use differential steering driver by dual 775 motors and PTS 7960 drivers. Using a custom Planck smartphone dashboard, we map 2D joystick coordinates into direct motor pulses over Wi-Fi, allowing seamless remote control. Now I'm passing to Karim.
Thanks to Osama and Omar for presenting their slides, and now I will be explaining the core benefits of this project. So the benefits of this architecture are massive. First, it's unmatched agility. The differential steering allows Aquabin to execute true zero-degree turning radius, effortlessly cleaning stagnant corners where trash accumulates. And second, it's highly cost-effective, utilizing off-the-shelf electronics and standard PVC. Next, we will look for at the competitive edge. Aquabin achieved the perfect balance. It vastly outperformed the 25% cost to agility rating of manual labor. And at a 95% rating, it is a fraction of the cost commercial autonomous skimmers. Aquabin is agile, affordable, and ready to deploy. That's all. Thank you all. Thank you for your time.